Ringier, Switzerland's largest internationally active media group, stands for pioneering endeavor and individuality, for independence, freedom of expression and diversity of information. Product excellence, high-quality journalism and first-class entertainment are the key attributes of the Ringier brand. Ringier is passionate about its journalism and stages events that enthuse their audiences. As a forward-looking media enterprise, Ringier is constantly seeking to expand in the fields of mobile apps, e-publishing and e-commerce. 2012 was no exception. Structural changes in the media industry had a marked effect on Ringier's businesses during 2012. Uncertainty in world markets and challenging trading conditions continued to exert pressure on the group's core publishing businesses.
2012 will be remembered as an exciting and an eventful year in the Ringier history. It was a year of major acquisitions and a year of big decisions, and both of them will shape the Ringier Group for the future. Ringier's transformation continued quickly and consequently. Organizational restructuring has been done and several efficiency programs have been implemented, and they have been implemented successfully.
By making substantial investments in its digital businesses, the group was able to tap into new and sustainable sources of revenue. In Switzerland, Ringier and Tamedia jointly acquired the employment placement platform jobs.ch. Thanks to its stakes in Scout24 Switzerland and jobs.ch, Ringier has now become a leading player in online classified advertising in Switzerland. In spring 2012, the group's Ringier Axel Springer Media AG joint venture undertook a major step towards greater digitalization and diversification of its business in Eastern Europe by acquiring a 75% stake in onet.pl, Poland's leading online portal. Both the onet.pl and the jobs.ch acquisitions are important milestones in Ringier's digital development. At group level, Ringier has now increased the sales generated by its digital businesses to 18% of total revenues. Ringier completed a year of major acquisitions by purchasing ejobs.ro, Romania's leading online employment portal. Over the last 5 years, Ringier has now invested more than 1.1 billion Swiss francs in transforming its businesses. Significant strategic emphasis has been placed on the entertainment business, given its limited exposure to the economic cycle. That is why the group has systematically developed its investments in this area. With the new broadcaster Energy Basel taking to the airwaves, the Energy network was able to expand its coverage further. In German-speaking Switzerland, its 3 stations, Energy Basel, Energy Bern and Energy Zurich, now reach more than 500,000 listeners every day. This has made Energy Switzerland's most successfully privately owned radio network. Despite its rapid diversification, Ringier has no intention of neglecting its core business. This was amply demonstrated in 2012 by the successes achieved by the group's classical print business, whose results were both over budget and ahead of their 2011 performance. The new magazine title, Schweizer Landliebe, launched in 2011, clearly demonstrates that it is still possible to innovate in the print media. After only 2 years in print, Schweizer Landliebe's circulation now already exceeds 120,000 copies. Across the globe, all media firms are evaluating payment-based business models for the digital versions of their print brands. That also applies to the Blick Group. In future, Ringier intends to achieve growth not only through digital media, but in new markets as well. That is why the group now operates no fewer than 15 digital platforms in Kenya, Nigeria and Ghana. These pilot initiatives are providing Ringier Africa with a valuable opportunity to explore the potential which the large African market represents. The reorganization Ringier carried out during the spring of 2012 has enabled the group to create a platform for its future development which is both effective and cost-efficient. Management structures have been slimmed down, and the group has replaced its previous geographically based organization with one centered around 3 key units: publishing, entertainment and digital. In the years ahead, Ringier will focus its attention on operational excellence and systematic cost management. The transformation the media industry is now going through is not only the most challenging in its history, but also the most exciting.
The shareholders have approved a considerable amount of money for a couple of very important investments in the past. Therefore, 2013 will be a year of consolidation. But journalism and digitalization are not driven just by money, but by the attitude and the spirit. It's very competitive out there, so let's fight and have fun.
2013 will be another exciting and challenging year for Ringier. The transformation process continues, and Ringier is ready.